Let's talk a little bit about some new options in Microsoft Teams where you can actually control notifications on particular threads inside of a channel now. Something that's fairly new in Microsoft Teams is the ability to turn on and off notifications for a particular thread within a channel. So you no longer have to get notifications for an entire channel, you can get them just for a thread if you want to. Let's see how that's done here in my Windows client. So if I have this thread right here about Cerner's recent deal with Uber, and I want to see the comments because there's 31 replies to this already, I can simply click the little ... the more options button for that particular thread at the top level, and I can say turn on notifications. Now, every time there's a new post in this thread, it will send me a notification to my activity area or a push notification if I have those turned on. And another thing that I can do is I can basically mute a thread if I no longer want to get notifications for that. So here's my test message that I posted earlier. I imagine a lot of the guys are gonna start posting a lot of nonsense replies to me. So I want to turn off notifications. Any thread that I start, I will automatically have notifications turned on for that particular thread, but I can take control by turning off notifications right there, and now I will no longer be notified whenever there's a new reply to that particular thread. All of this is deeper than the level at the channel. If I want to turn on notifications for an entire channel, that's up here in the channel notifications area when I click the more options for the channel.